Hi guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're here with the Ipsy Glam bag for April. I love this bag. This is like my favorite one in a long time. It's like a strong canvas. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. I feel the need to sit like this right now. I don't know why. Anyway, we're gonna do it. We're in here. All right. So they do send this to me for review. So thank you, Ipsy. I kind of know what's in here because since they do send me the Glam bag and the Glam bag plus, they kind of send it all together, and I have to like figure out what's in what. I'm still not 100% sure. I'm sure someone will tell me in the comments if I get it wrong though. So basically this is $12 a month. It is slightly customizable. This is some full size, but mostly sample and deluxe size samples in here for $12. It's a real steal. So here's the bag, like I said, and it has like the zipper pull is these little lips. They're so cute. And then inside it's red, and it does have like an oilcloth. This is the Force of Nature. They've been printing the theme of the bags and boxes inside the bags, which I think is really cool. All right, so first we're gonna pull this out. This is from Nomad Cosmetics. This is the Sydney Bathers Balmoral Beach Highlight. I think of all things, highlight is my favorite. I think it has to do with the fact that my skin is always so dry, so making it look like it's not is very exciting. All right, I do have the full size Nomad the highlight palette. Like, it's not just highlight, it's also bronzer and stuff like that. I think it's really nice. I don't use it as much as I should, probably because I have a lot. So here it is. You open it up. It does not have a mirror. Look, it has like a peachy kind of champagne color. Ooh, it's yellower than I thought, more golden. Very pretty, very beach-esque, which you'd want to see at like a beach or something like that. So that's really pretty. We'll deal with that at the end. All right. I need to like have a towel here. All right, next up we have, this is from First Aid Beauty. These are the facial radiance pads. So these help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. Basically, I'm guessing this is similar to like has some sort of a salicylic or something like that acid in it. White pad across face, neck, and décolleté once or twice daily after cleansing. They use, it looks like natural lactic acid, so AHA? Is that what that one is? AHA, I think that's lactic. So there's that. I actually prefer lactic to glycolic and salicylic. It's a little more gentle. And they can, I don't know if they can derive all of it from like different fruit enzymes, but lactic acid occurs naturally in your body, and you can like kind of create it with natural products like fruits and things like that. You know what I'm saying? I guess that's right. I think that's a little bit right. At the very least, it's a little right. All right. All right. All right, moving on. All right. This is from Thrive Cosmetics, who their products are bomb. They really are. So this is the Lip Filler Lip Liner. I've never used this. It's a semi-permanent micropigment technology though, and it's in the color called Gislon. I don't know. It's like a plum rose, maybe? I have one of these lip liners, and it's really red. I don't use a lot of red on my lip, and it's really nice, so it doesn't tug. It's not really over drying. This color is really pretty. I will actually use this a lot more, so that's exciting. I will use the heck out of it. All right, moving on to our fourth item. This is from My Skinny Mask Australia. This is a sample size. It says on here, not for resale. It says made in Australia, vegan and cruelty free. But I'm super excited about it because it's turmeric and vitamin C. So it's called the You Glow Girl. So basically your vitamin C is going to brighten, exfoliate your skin. But the turmeric reduces redness. So if you have sensitive skin, any of the maybe irritation that you'd get from the vitamin C, the turmeric would hopefully cancel that out, which is very exciting. I love turmeric in skincare products. I know it's kind of one of those buzz products that they've been putting in everything lately. I actually think it works. So that's just me. I have been having good skin days. I'll be honest. I said in a video just a couple weeks ago, Oh, I've been loving hyaluronic acid. Oh, I've been using it. It hasn't been causing me any problems. I'm a liar. I don't know why I took it out. Maybe I finished up a product and I replaced it with something that didn't have, or I didn't have something or whatever. For whatever reason, I took the hyaluronic acid out of my skincare, and a lot of the angry skin that I was having went away. And I was like, is this a fluke? Is this a fluke? It was not. So far, knock on wood, it has not been. I just kept it out. So I've been using other things. I'm having great results. So I'm happy with that. All right. I used to blame it on working out and stuff like that, that my skin would get so red, and like it just would just so red sometimes. Thanks, hyaluronic acid, you liar. All right, moving along here. All right, the final item in this bag is from Dr. Botanicals. I actually have some hand cream over there from them. I don't use a lot of hand cream though. This is the Watermelon Superfood 2-in-1 Cleanser and Makeup Remover. That's very exciting. I do love the little cap. It's like octagonal. I wonder if it smells like watermelon. Oh, it does. It does. It's a nice scent though. So this is a cleanser and makeup remover, which is really nice. It's a small, but that's fine. It's a great way to try products out. So for your $12 spend, you're getting this makeup remover cleanser. You're getting the lip liner, the turmeric and vitamin C mask, the exfoliating pads, and the highlighter. A lot of skincare in this one, but I think this is a great bag for $12 overall. This is really good. I will link down below, like I said, to Ipsy, and I'll also link to my full review on my blog if you want to check that out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.